Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, how are we all doing? And today's video, I want to show you what I just finally invested in. So I have said before on my channel that I'm a big fan of drones. My wife actually bought me my first ever drone about a year ago. It's actually over there. In fact, I'm just going to show you it, if I can reach it. And here it is, my first ever drone. This thing has been battered proper, mate. The brand of this drone is called Snaptane. Now, it is very, very much an opening level drone. If you have no experience, then something like this is probably the way you want to go. It is good. It is very, very light, mate. It's probably lighter than my iPhone. But yeah, professionally, it's not that good, man. The camera's pretty bad. It gets properly ruined in the wind. It's got about 7 minutes flight time, and it is Wi-Fi based transmission, which I hate it. I live in London, right, and there's just Wi-Fi left, right and centre. When this thing gets in the air and it goes down a little bit, that is it, mate. The screen on my phone is blurry. I'm actually surprised I've never lost this. I still love this drone, don't get it twisted, but ladies and gentlemen, I have finally got round to buying, in my opinion, the best drone on the market, mate. You can't beat it, and it is DJI Mavic Air 2. Everything I want in a drone is in this box. It does hyperlapses, 30 minutes flight time, 4K camera, and the holy grail, mate, OcuSync transmission. I ain't got to worry about losing it, because it ain't happening. DJI just smashed it, mate. The fact that this is OcuSync and not Wi-Fi, I'm loving it, mate. I was torn between getting this and the Mavic Mini. I've seen so many reviews on the Mavic Mini and this as well. In fact, I'm going to open this up now. I know everything in the box. But we're going to open it nice and easy, and then I'm going to show you my first ever flight. So now I just need my trusty knife. Yeah. And now let's get this bad boy open, mate. So fresh. Get rid of the lid. Ladies and gentlemen, just the holy grail of drones. Also, in case you're wondering, inside the box you get the drone, obviously, the bad boy controller, which is actually one of the main reasons I got this. I love this thing. Instruction manuals, box of cables, charger and adapter, lots and lots of cables, and of course, the props. Now, I do want to quickly mention, this control is a hype, mate. Just the attention to detail is unreal, mate. First of all, it fits really good in your hand, and the sticks, because they're not on there, they're on the bottom. Check this out. They come out the bottom, and then they go right here, mate, and they just twist on. Easy life. I love it, mate. Also, if you've ever owned a DJI drone, you know the camera normally sits in the bottom, but in this one, it ain't like that. It fits up top here, which, for me, I was sold, mate. Literally sold. When I saw that, the phone slides up here. I love that. The phone needs to be on top, always, in my opinion. That is how you do it in gaming, and that is how you do it with the drones. But yeah, a massive reason why I actually got this drone. I've said it originally. In fact, it's supposed to be in production now, but obviously, current situation, everything is on lockdown. But yeah, I'm supposed to be making a Kylo Ren fan film, so I needed a drone. And this is it. This is the drone that's going to get me the footage I need. Also, I forgot to say, it's got sensors as well, so your likelihood of crashing is slim. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to put the props on, charge this bad boy up, and we're going to head to the park, which is luckily right outside my house. And I'm going to show you my first ever flight with this drone. I do want to quickly say, all the footage is going to be raw and not edited in any way. So yeah, let's go and get this done.